The holiday season is upon us. And there's something magical about gathering around the table with loved ones. But what makes that moment even more special? The little touches that make your table feel festive, warm, and inviting. Today, we're diving into one of the most overlooked but powerful elements of holiday decor: Christmas table runners and linens. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your dining table into a holiday masterpiece using just a few thoughtful fabric choices. Think about it, your dining table is where some of the most cherished memories happen during the holidays. It's not just a place to eat. It's where laughter is shared, toasts are made, and stories are told. The right linens can set the stage for all of that. Whether you prefer a simple, minimalist look or something more elaborate, the fabrics you choose will bring your vision to life. Let's start with the table runner. First, consider the length. Do you want it to drape over the edges for a more formal look? Or end just before the table's edge for something casual? Next is the fabric. Velvet is perfect for a luxurious feel. While burlap or linen gives off a rustic, farmhouse vibe. And finally, the color. Traditional reds and greens always work. But don't be afraid to mix in golds. Silvers. Or even deep blues for a modern twist. A single layer can be nice, but layering adds depth and character. Start with a solid tablecloth as your base, then layer your runner on top. Add matching or complementary placemats for extra flair. For example, a neutral linen tablecloth paired with a bold plaid runner and woven placemats can instantly elevate your table. Table linens aren't just for the table. Napkins, for instance, can be tied with ribbons and adorned with small ornaments for a polished look. You can even add fabric bows to your dining chairs for an extra festive touch. These small details create a cohesive and inviting dining experience. Mixing patterns can feel intimidating. But here's the trick: stick to a consistent color palette. If your runner has a bold plaid pattern, balance it with solid colored napkins. Or, pair striped placemats with a simple, neutral runner. The key is contrast. Let one element take center stage, while the others support it. Once your linens are in place, it's time for the final touches. Add candle holders, fresh greenery, or even mini Christmas trees along the runner. These centerpieces enhance the overall look without overshadowing your beautiful fabrics. The goal is to create harmony between your linens and your decor, allowing the table to feel festive and welcoming. There's something timeless about holiday linens. They become part of your family's tradition. Whether it's the same plaid runner every year or hand-embroidered napkins, passed down through generations. These fabrics hold memories. And with every Christmas dinner, they tell your family's story. Fabrics might seem like a small detail, but they're the foundation of your holiday table. They set the tone, create warmth, and bring people together. So, as you plan your Christmas table this year, remember, it's not just about the food or the decor. It's about the feeling. And fabrics are the secret ingredient to making it unforgettable. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. We have plenty more festive ideas coming your way. Happy holidays! And may your table be filled with joy, love, and a little fabric magic.